Today we're going to turn a flimsy bit of card into a really sturdy deck for a bridge. And this is how we're going to do it. First, we have to look at our single sheet of card, and you can see that it bends easily. And it will sag as soon as I put weight on it. I'm going to show you how to use a technique called ribbing, and that's going to add internal ribs, a little bit like bones of a fish, to give the deck extra thickness. First, we're going to fold a piece of card in half. So just pinch the ends, pinch both ends, slide my hand down to the other corner and then move the corner along. Straight away, if we glued that together, that would be thicker. But we want to do ribbing, so this is ribbing. So first of all, I'm going to add lots of glue. To my bit of card. I'm going to glue my straws so they're about 2 centimeters apart, okay? I'm going to be using art straws. So I have 3 lines of glue, okay? Then what I'm going to do, just place that up there so you can see it. I'm going to get one of my art straws, and if you notice, I've not stuck it on perfectly because I want some of it to go over the end. So I'm just going to bend it over the end. So can you see how it's long enough to touch the table? And then I'm going to glue that one on this side. And I'm going to glue one on this side as well. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add it on and check that it can touch the table. Give them a bit of a push down. Then let's add some more. So just lining it up with that side. So it'll come off the edge of the table. Lining it up with this one on here. Pressing them down. Do the same with that one. And the same with that one. We need plenty of glue. We need to make sure that they're stuck down. And then what we do is we add plenty of glue onto the art straws. I'm using PVA glue because it sticks a little bit better than a normal glue stick. Then put some glue on the end of the card as well. And then fold it over. Fold it down. So here you go. There's our deck, and it's amazing. So the ribs inside, the art straws inside, act like tiny little bridges inside the deck. They stop it from bending. Even though the deck looks about the same thickness, it's much sturdier now, providing hidden strength by using ribbing without adding much weight is ideal if you want your deck to stay light. Now, you could, if you wanted to, chop off those extra bits of art straw, but I've left them in on purpose, and I've done it so that I can do the same thing now on each side, and that will give you, so I would just put some glue on this side, and that will give you a ramp that would bend down. Okay, a ramp that would bend down on this side and a ramp that would bend down on that side.